National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Davies County, Stevenson County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Apple River, or 15 miles east of Galena, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton, Warren, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, Dakota, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Rock City, Radot, Dora, Chappville, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Onico, Guilford, and Orangeville. Take cover now.
With a cloggy guarantee.